In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all your subscribed workshop items and content in Steam. We'll walk through this step-by-step process together so you can easily manage your subscriptions and collections within just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening the Steam application. Whether you have it on your desktop or need to download it from the Steam website, launch the app to begin. Once you have Steam open, look towards the top right corner for the login button. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your account name and password. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free on the same screen. Be sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After entering your login details, proceed by clicking the sign in button. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here, your next step is to navigate to the community tab. You'll see this option in the top menu, the same area where you find store, library and other options. Now, click on the community tab. The community page is an exciting hub where you can interact with friends, join groups, discuss games, and much more. Here, you will also see an option labeled Workshop, which is what we're looking for, so go ahead and click on Workshop. Once you're in the Workshop section, it's time to locate your personal Workshop files. Look for a button or link that says Your Workshop Files. Click it and this will take you to a page that showcases all of your activity and creations in the workshop. Here comes the pivotal part, finding those subscriptions. On your workshop files page, you will find an option called subscribed items. Clicking on this will reveal a comprehensive list of all the workshop items you've subscribed to. This can include mods, maps, skins, and more depending on the games you play and the content you prefer. Additionally, to get an even more organized view of your subscribed content, you may want to check out the collections option. By clicking on collections, you'll see any bundle or curated sets of workshop items you've previously organized or subscribed to. Collections allow for easier navigation and management of your content, especially if you have a lot of subscriptions. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully navigated to and reviewed your subscribed workshop items and collections on Steam. This process is straightforward and allows you to manage your subscriptions with ease, ensuring you always know what content you've downloaded and can access it seamlessly whenever you need. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.